Okay, so it is time for arte. And you need, again, like I said, a black piece of paper, a construction piece of paper, un papel de construcción en color negro, y su color blanco de su crayolas, so white color crayon. Okay, so that's what you need for this project. Okay, and we're gonna be drawing a gorilla. A gorilla, una gorila. Okay, eso es lo que vamos a dibujar. And our gorilla is not going to be brown. It's going to be white. Okay, so we're drawing a gorilla in the night. All right, una gorila en la noche. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing so that way you can see my screen and you can see everything step by step how we're going to draw it. Okay, so I'm going to give you an idea of how it looks like. It's gonna, at the end, it's gonna like that, like this, but it's gonna be white instead. Okay? So color blanco, papel negro. Okay, I will go ahead and move my camera so everybody can see my step to step. So it's gonna be a little rocky for just a minute for everybody to see. Try not to move it too much. Yeah. Should come to screen here a sec. And I'm gonna turn off my microphone so you can all hear me.
We lost the video feed, Senora Kenya. There, it's back.
You get a better screen on that. Can you guys still, Senora Wilson, can you hear me? Can you still hear me, Miss Wilson?
I can still hear you. It's a little hard to see your paper, though.
Okay. I think we could see that real good. It goes on this side. Okay. So everybody has their black sheet of paper and their white crayon. So that's what all we're going to need, okay? So the first step, here we go. Primer paso. We are going to draw a big square. A big square, okay? Here we go. One line down. Okay. One line across. Cross. We're going to make a big square. Okay? Big square. Just like that. Okay, the next step, again, segundo paso, is now we're going to draw a circle. Okay, so a circle. So we're going to draw it about right here in the middle. Draw a round circle. Just like that. Okay, everybody see that? Circle. Then we're going to draw two little circles on the side. Okay, one right here and one right here. So cuando ya dibujen su círculo en el medio, uno aquí chiquito y a la derecha y otra en la izquierda. Okay, draw a little one right here. These are going to be its ears. And these are sus orejas. So yours should look like that, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a like oval shape. Okay, so we're like gonna do like a U, a big U. Here we go. U, just like that. Okay, just like that, a big U. Okay. Then we're going to draw its eyes and nose. So here's its nose, like a big dot, big white dot. Just like that. Just make a big white dot right there in the middle for its nose. Okay. Then we're going to draw its eyes. Okay, so two dots for its eyes. Just like that. Now we're going to draw its legs and its arms. Okay, ahora sí vamos a dibujar sus piernas y brazos, okay? So here we go. So vamos a hacer como una L, okay? So, a ver, le vamos a hacer una línea aquí. Okay, so we're going to draw a line that comes out, just like this. So everybody draw 2 lines coming out, just like that. Okay, 2 líneas que se salgan de su cuerpo. Okay, just like that, right? One right here on the right and one right here on the left. Okay. Then you're going to draw a little line right here. Right there. Everybody see that? One line big there, one big line there, and then one little line right here. And you're going to do the same with the other side. So una corta línea aquí en la derecha. Okay? Igual. Just the same size, la misma mitad. Son las mismas medidas, las líneas también cortitas. Okay? 2 largas y una cortita. 2 long ones and 1 short one. Okay? Then you're going to go make a line to go straight down. Okay? So I want you to watch me, okay? See if you can see this. Draw down and then draw straight down. Okay, just all we're doing is drawing sticks going all the way down for just like a long line like this one, just the same size. La misma medida así como arriba, pero para abajo. Okay, just like that. Okay. Then you're going to go up here, the very top, y aquí arriba, y vamos a estar igual, pero vamos a dibujar la línea que esté aquí en la misma medida como la otra línea aquí. Okay, so we're going to draw this, make this line go all the way down to same size as this one. Here we go. Watch how I do it, so that way I'm going to do it with my left hand so you maybe can see better. All the way down. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. All the way down. Okay. So, una línea de arriba hasta abajo. And see how it's the same size as my other line right here? See how they're the same size? That's what I want you to draw it to the same size. La misma medida así. Quiero que pare ahí. Okay. Okay. El paso que sigue es, vamos a conectar la línea. We're going to connect the line right here, okay? We're going to connect it. Okay. Vamos a conectar las líneas, así, just like that. Okay, now we're going to draw its legs. Ahora sí vamos a dibujar sus piernas. Okay, here we go. So we're going to do a line that comes out this way to the left a little bit. So kind of like an L. So if you move your paper just like this in the corner, see how the corner is kind of pointing down? Okay, that's kind of what you want your paper. You want your paper pointing down. Quiere que su papel esté, el punto esté para abajo, así, puntando a ti. Okay, y vamos a hacer como una L. We're going to draw like an L. Okay, here we go. Where L looks like this. A ver si pueden mirar. I'm going to do one long line. Then we're going to do a short line. So L, una L. Okay, one and then a short line. Larga y una corta. Una L. Okay. And then we're going to do it again. We're going to do an L again, but this one's going to be a little bit shorter, okay? Esta va a ser un poquito corta la L, okay? Here we go. L, así, una L. Long line, short line, una línea grande y una corta. Así se dibuja la L. Arriba, para abajo, a la derecha, corta, okay? top to bottom, and a short line. Just like that. Okay. And again, we're going to connect it right here. Vamos a conectar las líneas. Okay, we're going to connect the lines. So go ahead and draw a line to connect it. Okay, para conectarlas. Okay, the next step, paso que sigue, vamos a hacer igual. We're going to do an L again, but this one's going to be a little bit backwards. Okay, backwards L. But we're going to do the same thing. Una línea, we're going to draw a big line and then a short line across, okay? I'm going to draw and make sure that the point of your paper, okay, el punto de tu papel está para abajo. Make sure it's down, okay? Because your legs are going to be kind of sticking out a little bit, okay? So it's pointing down. See how it's pointing down? My point right here is down. So my paper's turned. Okay, now we're going to do a straight line out, okay? Una línea derechita. Ahora sí. Okay, just like that. And then a short one. So it's like, oops, I broke my grid. It's okay, not a big deal. Okay. And then it's like an L backwards. Okay, al revés, una L al revés. Okay, and you're gonna do the same thing again. Start right here, connect it right here. I'm gonna do it with my left hand again. Okay, and then you're gonna do an L, but a shorter L, okay? Here we go. Okay, so L backwards, L backwards. Una L al revés, L al revés. Okay, long line, una línea grande y una línea corta. Ahora sí vamos a conectarlas. Okay, now next step is we're gonna connect it. Okay, ese es el siguiente paso. Conectar la línea con una corta línea, así. Okay, so go ahead and do that, their legs. Okay, now we're gonna draw its fingers, okay? When you're done with its feet, turn your paper around just to look like that. Look at it, it's coming along. It's looking pretty good. Ahora sí, las manos, los dedos y también en los pies, okay? And we're just gonna do like curves, okay? We know how to do curves. They kind of look like little C's, right? Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 4 on here on this line, and then we're gonna do 1 in the corner, okay? 1 in the corner. So we're gonna do 4 here on this line, and then 1 in the corner. So here we go. Just like little curves, like little C's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So draw little C's. 4 on the bottom line that you connected them, okay? La línea que la conectó necesita poner 4 C's, okay? And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, okay? Vas a hacer igual en el otro lado, okay? 4 C's. C, 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 C. Al revés. See, it's kind of backwards, okay? Backwards. Or a curve, however, una curva. También, however you want. Then, the last one is going to be in the corner. Aquí en la esquina, donde se conectan estas dos líneas, right here where these 2 lines connect, we're going to do a C, but the C is going to be backwards, okay? Al revés. La C va a ser al revés. Or the curve is going to be backwards, okay? There we go. Just like that. Kind of like claws. Okay, kind of like claws. Just like that. I just do a curve the other way. Now this one, estas están así iguales. These are the same curves. Now we're going to do the other way, the curve. Okay, so that way it's like a claw. Una C, a C. We're going to just draw a C or a curve. Una curva, así. Okay, those are its claws. Okay, sus uñas. Now we're going to do the same thing. Okay, but this time, en esta línea, right here in this line, you're going to draw your curves, okay? Your little curves or your little C's. So we're going to draw 4. Vamos a dibujar 4, okay? These are going to be its claws. So van a ser sus uñas. So let me try to do it in a way where you guys can see it. Here we go. 1 curve, 2 curves, 3 curves, 4 curves, okay? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cuatro. And you're going to do it the same right here, the next step, okay? El paso que sigue, hagan igual en esta línea corta aquí. That's when you want to do 4 curves, okay? 4 curvas. 4 C's, however you want to see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hay 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 curvas, or C's, however you want to do it. Okay? Then the last nail, la última uña, va a estar, la vamos a poner aquí. We're going to put it right here. Okay, see where these 2 lines connect right here? Estas 2 líneas donde conectan aquí es cuando donde vamos a dibujar la uña, la última uña. This is where we're going to draw the last curve or claw. Just like that. Okay? And then we're going to do it in the same corner right here. We're going to draw the last curve right there. Just a little C or curve. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to draw gorillas. Sometimes look very strong and tough. So we're going to make them tough looking. So we're going to do a V, una V. Vamos a dibujar una V para que la gorila se vea como si está enojado. Okay. All right. Now you can color your gorilla or leave it like that, however you want. But I'm going to go ahead and color it. So vamos a colorear todo el cuerpo. We're going to color the whole and the inside, just like that. We're going to color him. Vamos a colorear adentro. And color inside. Color him all in. His whole body. Todo su cuerpo van a colorear. Okay? His whole body. Go ahead and finish coloring the gorilla. And then I want to see everybody's gorilla. And we're done. So color just like I am. Así como estoy haciendo yo. Colorear todo su cuerpo. Color all his body. Just like me, okay? Just like what I'm doing there. And just filling in all his body. Make sure you stay within the lines, okay? Vas a colorear todo adentro de su cuerpo. Quédense adentro de sus líneas, okay? And then now his whole body, the whole square, okay? Just like that. So however you want to color it, you can color it just like that. Okay, and just keep going. Colorear todo su cuerpo. My crayon broke, as you can tell, but I am still using it. Excuse me. All right. Ahora sí. Still coloring it. Keep finishing coloring it. Okay. Now I'm going to put on the top, I'm going to write gorilla. So everybody knows this is a gorilla. So we're going to write a G, an O, and then an R. So straight line, and a little curve for the R, and an I. The little dot, little line, little dot, top to bottom. I'm going to do 2 L's. So top to bottom, top to bottom. And then an A. I'm going to start at the top with the C, like that. And then we're going to go back to where the C is. I mean the top of the curve there. And then we're going to go straight down. Gorilla. Okay. And this is our gorilla. And you can give your gorilla a name. Okay, now I want to see Everybody's gorilla.
Señora Peña,